So welcome to my YouTube channel. So continuation of third video in trigonometry basics, it is introduction. So trigonometric values table. So 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees it is. So it is 0. Now if you have to express this also in radians, it is pi by 6 radians. It is pi by 4 radians. So it is pi by 3 radians. It is pi by 2 radians it is. We have to express that also in radians it is. So that values also you have to learn by heart it is. Now sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is 1 by 2, sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1 it is. Okay. So you have to learn by heart this 0 degrees 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1 it is. If you learn by heart this, the remaining values you can fill very easily. So from this only you can fill this. Now see here cos values from reverse it is. From last it is 1 it is. Means what we understand? So cos 0 degrees equal to sin 90 degrees it is. Cos 0 degrees equal to sin 90 degrees it is. Now root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, now 1 by root 2, now 1 by 2, so now 0 it is. So reverse order you have to take. If you know the sin values, you can easily say cos values it is. So sin 90 equal to cos 0, sin 60 equal to cos 30, sin 45 equal to cos 45, sin 30 equal to cos 60, sin 0 equal to cos 90 it is. Okay. Now similar way tan values. We know tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta it is. So sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, sin 0 by cos 0, it is to get tan 0. So tan 30 is sin 30 by cos 30. By dividing these two, we get the tan values it is. So 0 by anything is 0, 0 by 1 is 0. Now 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 3 it is, 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1 it is. Now root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, we get root 3. Now here 1 by 0 is infinity, anything by 0 is infinite, not defined it is, in infinity it is, 1 by 0 is, anything by 0 is infinity. Or tan values you can remember very easily, 0 is 0, now 1 by root 3, now again 1 root 3 it is, last one is infinity. Tan 0 is 0, tan 90 is infinity, now tan 30 is 1 by root 3, next tan 45 1, this 1 it is, now tan 60 is root 3. In this way also you can remember very easily. If you know tan values, again cot values how can you get? From last it is. From last it is again infinity, infinity, so root 3, now 1, 1 by root 3, so 0 it is. If you know tan values, you can say cot values easily. Now from this what we say again, tan 90 degrees equal to cot 0 degrees, tan 60 degrees equal to cot, tan 60 degrees equal to cot 30 degrees, just like it is, tan 45 equal to cot 45. So just similar to sin and cos it is, tan and cot also. Now secant values, how can you get secant values? Inverse of cos we know, secant is inverse of cos it is. So inverse of this, reverse of these values it is. So 1 by 1, 1 it is. So root 3 by 2 can be written as inverse of that, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. Now here 1 by root 2 can be written as root 2 by 1, means root 2 it is. Now it is 1 by 2, reverse of this is 2 by 1. So by 0 is infinity again, divided by 0, it can be written as 0 by 1. So 1 by 0 is infinity again, we get the secant values of that. Now again if you write reverse order again, from here we get the cosecant values it is. So infinity and 2, so root 2, so 2 by root 3 and 1 it is. Okay. So in this way you can remember very easily. If you learn by heart the first one it is, if you learn by heart these values, 0 to 90 degrees sin values, you can fill the remaining values very easily it is. Okay, by using this table we have to practice, these are very important and very useful for doing the calculations of trigonometry it is. Okay, now here by observing from 0 degrees to 90 degrees only, from 0 degrees to 90 degrees only, suppose more than 90 degrees is given, how can you calculate? There is also some method for that. Okay, so how can you calculate greater than 90 degrees is given? Sometimes it may be given 120 degrees, 180 degrees, okay, so 210 degrees, just like it is given 150 degrees and so on. Greater than 90 degrees is given, how can you calculate? Suppose larger angle is given, How can you calculate? Larger angle is given. How can we calculate? Okay, larger angle is given. Now see here, how can you calculate larger angle is given? So that larger angle can be split into 90 plus or 90 minus, 90 plus theta or 90 minus theta. So 180 plus theta or 180 minus theta. So 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta. So 360 plus theta or 360 minus theta it is. Theta means it may be 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and so on it is. If any larger angle is given, in this way you have to split it is. Why it is to be split only 90s, 180s, 270s, 360s? Why it is to be split only 90s, 180s, 270s, 360s means, again here quadrant table is there, quadrant table. So according to that table, according to that quadrant table, okay, so this is the quadrant table it is. According to this table, so see here, what is the quadrant table it is. Now it is 0 degrees, it is 90 degrees, it is 180 degrees, it is 180 degrees, now it is 270 degrees, again it is 360 degrees it is, again it is 360, 0 degrees or 360 degrees it is. Now here it is called the first quadrant, it is called the second quadrant, it is called the third quadrant, now it is called the fourth quadrant it is. So total angle, entire angle 360 degrees is to be divided into 4 quadrants it is, 1, 2, 3 and 4 it is. So in first quadrant it is 0 degrees to 90 degrees means greater than 0, less than 90. So greater than 0, less than 90. Okay, so greater than 0, less than 90. If the theta is greater than 0, less than 90 degrees, we say it is in first quadrant it is. Now greater than 90 degrees, greater than 90, less than 180 it is called second quadrant it is. Third quadrant is greater than 180 degrees, less than 270 degrees, it is in third quadrant it is. It is in third quadrant. In fourth quadrant, greater than 270 degrees, greater than 270 degrees, less than 360 degrees it is. Okay, we say it is in fourth quadrant it is. So the quadrant changes at 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees it is. So 90 minus means first quadrant, 90 plus means second quadrant, 180 minus means second quadrant, 180 plus means third quadrant. Now 270 minus means third quadrant, 270 plus means fourth quadrant. 360 minus means fourth quadrant, 360 plus means again first quadrant it is. So the quadrant changes at 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees only. The quadrant changes at 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360. So the largest angle can be split into only 90s, 180s, 270s, 360. That is the reason according to quadrant table. But in quadrant table here in the first quadrant, all trigonometric values are positive. 0 to 90 degrees, observe this table from 0 to 90 degrees it is, all trigonometric values are positive here, there is no negative value, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant, 6 trigonometric function values all are positive. So in first quadrant all are positive it is, but in second quadrant it is only sine and its inverse, only sine and its inverse cosecant is positive, remaining 4 are negativities, only 2 functions are positive, remaining are negativities. In the third quadrant, tan and its inverse cot is positive, tan and its inverse cot is positive, the remaining 4 are negativities. But in fourth quadrant, it is cos and its inverse secant is positive, the remaining 4 are negativities. To remember this very easily, one sentence is also there, all students take coffee. If you remember the statement, if you remember that sentence, all students take coffee, all students take coffee, all students take coffee. So by using this statement, see here, this is the first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. It is the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine and its inverse cosecant is positive. In third quadrant, tan and its inverse cot is positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and its inverse secant is positive. to remember the trigonometry functions in which quadrant which trigonometry functions are positive, by using this statement you can easily remember it is. So all students take coffee, it is okay. It is first, it is second quadrant, third quadrant tan and cot, fourth quadrant cos and secant are positive. So that the largest trigonometric largest angle can be split into 90s, 180s, 270s and 360s only. So by using this, how can we calculate suppose 120 degrees, 150 degrees, so 210 degrees, 720 degrees, 750 degrees value, how can you calculate? Okay, sin 750, how can you calculate? Cosecant 750, how can you calculate? Okay, so by using this we can calculate. In the next video I will discuss with you how can you calculate that. Okay, thank you to all of you.